Hello, this is Darin Martineau from Master Magic University, and in this video I'm going to talk about my new product, which is called Mentalism Secrets Volume 4. And this is $9.99. You're going to learn over 10 amazing impromptu mentalism miracles. It includes 10 instructional videos. You're going to learn the impromptu prediction, which is a propless mentalism effect where you actually borrow the objects from the audience and make an incredible prediction and get it right. You're going to learn an impromptu mentalism routine with coins and some ESP symbols created by Max Maven. You're going to learn Never Say Die, which is an incredible routine from Ken Krenzel. You're going to learn my original new informational mentalism glimpse, which has multiple applications. You're going to learn a powerhouse routine I call New Voodoo Card 3, which is a combination of mentalism and the voodoo card plot. You're going to learn an incredible routine with business cards, which is a great way to hand out your business cards, and it's called Past, Present, and Future Mentalism. You're going to learn the Psychic Skittles, which is a great effect for kids or anything like that. Then you're going to learn the Torn and Restored Napkin and Paper Balls and Prediction, which is an incredible routine of mentalism involved in it. And you're going to learn a book test. So this is absolutely incredible. This is Mentalism Secrets Volume 4, and it's available now.